Welcome home to this gorgeous corner 2-bedroom, 1-bath home located in the heart of the west side of Norfolk. Perched on the second floor, this home boasts a spacious floor plan including a living room with French veranda and decorative mantel, a dedicated dining room and a newly remodeled kitchen with butcher block counters, a farm sink and sleek cabinetry. 2 well-proportioned bedrooms and a sparkling full bath complete the interior of this home. Off of the kitchen you will find a cozy outdoor area that overlooks the private parking for the building. Other notable details include gleaming hardwood floors and tall ceilings.